Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of scraping all the information about a particular Instagram post or a reel by just using the post URL as the input or the post code as the input. And this does not require you to use your Instagram account or log in with it. So your Instagram account is always safe and you can go ahead and scrape as much as you want without putting your Instagram login at risk. So if you see the readme of this particular actor, and this is my Epify actor, you can go to this particular URL and you'll come to this page. So what we are giving you is we're giving you 128 fields per post, and these are grouped in different sections. You get data about the engagement metrics like count, comment count, view count. You get the data about the content, the caption text, the hashtags, the mentions. So basically you can use this to understand what kind of content is working, what is the hashtags, what are the hashtags working, what is the kind of caption being used. You get the information about the audio. So if you find some trending reels in your niche, you can pass those reels from use via this actor and get the the audio information for those reels and create your own catalog of those audio IDs. Then you also get all the information about the creator, from their bio to everything, and you get the technical metadata as to the post ID and everything. So what we're going to do, we're going to come here to this particular URL and we're going to click try for free, and this will load this particular set of page where you need to supply the post code or the URL. So for this example, I'm going to go to Gymshark, and let's say we open this post which has 3 more collaborators, and we'll copy either this URL or this post code. So I'm going to copy the post code and I'm going to come here and paste this post code here. You can also pass multiple post codes in bulk and have this run all the analysis on all the post codes in bulk. For this example, I'm going to just use one post code and I'm going to click on save and start. So by just supplying the post URL or the post code, you will be able to scrape all the information about that Instagram post right from Instagram live. And this has already gone ahead and done this. If you go to the output tab here, you'll be able to see a lot of fields about this post. So I'm going to just briefly go into the important ones. So if you go here under caption, you will see all the information about the captions, the text. If there would have been some hashtags, you would have found here, but you see there are no hashtags. So the hashtags part is missing here. You get the entire metadata. So if we see the best audio cluster ID, this is the audio ID. If I copy this and if I go to instagram.com/reels/audio, and I paste this particular code that we copied, we land to that audio. So for this post, they've used an original audio, but a lot of times you'll see people using trending audio. So you'll be able to find that audio here and you'll be able to find all the reels that are using that audio. Apart from that, you get the entire metadata about that clip. If we go further down this, you'll see the metrics array, and this will have the entire metrics about the reel, the comment count, the like count, the play count, the repost count. And if there has been a cross post done on Facebook, you'll see the Facebook metrics here also. You'll see the information about the user. So let me just go to the user tab here. Yeah, under user we have 26 fields about that user. So what are the information about the username and the bio, you'll find here, and you also find the URL to the exact video or this static image post that you can download. Apart from that, you'll see a lot of fields that you can go through this data, run this actor for free, and see what information you need. So anything that you can find on the Instagram on a particular post on Instagram, you can just pass that through from here, and you can get all the information about that Instagram post. And you can export these in whichever format that you want. And you can also run this through an API. So if you use make.com's API, Cloud Code, Cursor, Codecs, you can programmatically run this actor and have analysis done on whatever post you're tracking. So if you see in the README, you'll see a couple of use cases that we have put forward that people use this actor for. And if any of these, is something that would benefit you, you can use this actor for that. So yeah, that's the demo for this actor. Thank you.